Hello guys, welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, I'm just going to make some simple shelves for my client. I hope you will enjoy the video. Give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to watch till the end. Thank you. As you can see, I'm preparing my shelves whereby at the edges where I did the cutting, I'm just going to apply contact glue and the lipping tape so that the shelves will be uniform, that is white in color. So guys, if you like this kind of content whereby we do DIYs, deco, interior design and some lifestyle videos, please subscribe to our channel so that, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos. And if you haven't watched the other videos that we have uploaded, please make sure to visit the channel and watch them. Like our videos, share and comment on them. Enjoy the video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the
Here I'm marking points where I'll be mounting the brackets, which I'll be using to mount the shelves on the wall. So guys, the materials that I've used here, you can find them anywhere, especially the hardware shops. You can find them if you want them, but in case you have any question about the things I'm using, you can comment down below and I will answer you. Make sure to use wall plugs when mounting things. And also here I'm using the spirit level meter so that my shelves will stay straight or leveled.